So for this problem you have to write it down twice and then do the FOIL method. You can't get rid of radicals in this problem. It's not an equation, so you're just going to have to multiply through with the radical. So a square root times a square root is, and then you can multiply the 3 times the 3 together. If the number isn't under a radical, you have to put it out in front. In the same way here. And then a negative 10 times a negative 10 is a positive 100. I times I is I squared. Simplify. The square root of 9 is 3. The middle terms, I lost my I right here, but you can add the negative 10i and the negative 10i together and just bring along the radical 3. And then this is plus 100 times negative 1. So when I combine, this is 3 minus 100 minus 20i square root of 3, or negative 97 minus 20i square root of 3. Okay, for this next one, you wanted to solve number 20 by the square root method, so you need to get the squared term completely by itself. So you want to add or subtract things away from it first. So we have 18 on the right, and then divide off by 2. And then to get rid of the power of 2, you're going to take the square root to both sides. But then when you put the square root in, you also have to include the plus or minus symbol. So this is going to work out to x equals plus or minus 3. So you have two solutions, a positive 3 or a negative 3. Okay, so for this next one, again, you want to isolate the radical, so move the 8 over to the other side. Okay, and then in the next step, you're going to need to get rid of the square root, so we're going to square both sides of the equation. And so this is where the calculator will help you save a little bit of time. And you can take the 24 and square it. So let's see, 24 squared. Okay, 576. So I have 4x minus 5 equals 576. Add 5. That's 4x equals 581, and then divide by 4. Now, if that's divisible, then we'll reduce it down. If not, yeah, it's not, then just leave it as a fraction. So we just leave it as the 581 over 4. Okay, and then for that last one, number 28, we did that one in the homework or during class time, and I was trying to think back as to what day that was, but I'll double check and then I'll put it in the email for you.